The spacious conference room buzzed with anticipation as educators and professionals from various fields gathered for a professional development workshop on adult learning theory in 2024.
Welcome everyone to our workshop on exploring adult learning theory in 2024. I'm Dr. Kapakyan and I'm thrilled to be your facilitator today.
To start the discussion, the facilitator engaged with an exciting icebreaker in order to sense camaraderie among the participants.
Alright, let's start with the fun icebreaker. Please introduce yourself and share one expectation you have for today's workshop. Let's start with you. Please stand up.
Hi, I'm Ralph from Lucy, and I'm hoping to learn the strategies for engaging other learners in the classroom.
Thank you. Second, please stand up.
Hi, I'm Krista from Peace as well. I'm looking forward to exploring innovative approaches to professional development.
As the participants introduced themselves, they shared their diverse experiences and expectations, ranging from incorporating technology into teaching to understanding the latest advancement in adult learning theory. While the atmosphere is relaxed, Dr. Kapokyan transitioned into the core content of the workshop, an overview of adult learning theory.
Adult learning theories has evolved significantly over the years, embracing principles such as andragogy and self-directed learning. In 2024, we have witnessed a fusion of traditional theories with innovative approaches, catering to the diverse needs of adult learners. To understand it more, Dr. Vigorio will share her insights.
Thank you, Dr. Tokyan. So, class, traditional theory like anthropology, which emphasize self-directed learning. So, in real life experiences, it is also remain fundamental. So, however, in our situation or in 2024, we've seen a significant shift towards integrating and catering to diverse learning styles. So, yes.
So, Doc, how does this innovation cater to diverse needs?
Excellent question. So, innovation like personalized learning paths utilize artificial intelligence to tailor learning experiences to individual preferences and pace. So, this is ensures that each learner needs to or receive content in a way best suited in their needs and abilities.
As the discussion goes on, Dr. Kapokyan facilitated an interactive discussion where her colleagues shared their own experiences and challenges in applying adult learning theory in their respective contexts.
Let's hear from my colleagues what are some of the challenges we face when teaching adults and how do you overcome them? Let's start with Dr. Basilios.
Hello everyone. One challenge I've encountered is keeping other learners motivated and engaged throughout the process. I found that incorporating interactive activities and group discussions helps to maintain their interest.
I agree, Dr. Gasillo. So in my case, class, the challenges that I face is adapting to the different learning style among adult learners. So I have success personalizing learning experiences to accommodate individual preferences.
Very well said. Thank you, Dr. Gian and Dr. Mia, for sharing your challenges. Over the time, we encounter different kind of challenges when teaching adult learners. Since we are educators in 2024, we have the unique opportunity to bridge tradition with innovation, creating dynamic and inclusive learning environments that empower adult learners. to reach their full potentials.
Drawing from her expertise, Dr. Gregorio showcased a myriad of learning theories specifically for adult learners in 2024.
Knowles is the main educator, the theory of andragogy or adult learning, such as he proposed that learners become self-directed as they mature. SDL or self-directed learning is a learning by oneself. It is also a method that delivered on the student to take control or on their own educators without the help of others. And it is also the strategies for the learning outcomes. For example, yung mga taong graduate ng pandemic, marami sa kanila ang hindi marunong gumamit ng mga equipment gaya natin mga civil technology. Kailangan natin matutunan yung paggamit ng mga iba't ibang tools and equipment dahil sa ating major. So madami sa kanila ang graduate na hindi marunong gumamit ng mga equipment dahil sa hindi sila nakakapag-laboratory at ginagawa lang nila ito, manonood lang sila sa YouTube para matutunan kung paano gamitin or kung paano hawakan yung mga equipment na yon. Or kaya gumagawa sila or gumagamit sila ng mga recyclable na materials para kunwari yun yung maging equipment nila at masundan nila yung tinuturo through online. So, technology has significantly enhanced the self-directed learning by providing abundant resources and tools such as education or educational apps, online courses, interactive platforms, and also, but self-directed learning has a disadvantage on the student. Why? Because it has a lot of challenges and the advantage is the lack of structure. The student may struggle to stay on the track or may not comfort or cover all materials. And another disadvantage is the lack of guidance because student may not has access to a teachers or a mentor who can provide clarification or answer the question. And the student may feel lonely and unmotivated. So, lastly is the importance of self-learners or self-directed learning is it is also important to have and a benefit of self-directed learners included the flexibility, personalization, and the development of critical thinking and self-motivation.
Through engaging demonstrations, Dr. Gasilos illustrated the teaching methods and techniques tailored in inspiration and curiosity among the students.
Problem-based learning or PBL is an instructional methods where students learn through the active exploration and executions of the real-world challenges or problems. And it emphasizes self-directed research, collaborations, and critical thinking, with educators often playing the roles of facilitators rather than the traditional lectures.
As the discussion drew to a close, Dr. Kapokyan summarized the key of the ever-evolving landscape of adult education.
Remember, our journey doesn't end here. The fusion of traditional theories with innovative approaches continues to pave the way for transformative learning experience in 2024 and beyond.
Before bidding farewell, Dr. Kapokyan extended an invitation to the participants to join an online community for continued learning and support.
Stay connected and keep the conversation going. Together, we can make a meaningful impact in the world of adult education.